we can see our hard. I fucked up.
You're good. I can cut that out.
Yeah. This is the Lian Li Lian 2 Mesh PC case. So I got this case for the cooling capabilities. As you can see right here, you have your fan control settings, which has low, medium, high, and auto. Also, it has an additional option for USB-C 3.1, which is another reason I got this case. Those are the two main components. We have our other USB, our aux port for mic. It's dual. It's a 4-pole dual for your headphones and microphone. We have our power button. Lights up, a little smooth. All right, now we move on to take a peek inside the cool mesh. We have our power supply spot, and we have our hard drive and SSD bays. You can pop these open, slide them in. Ooh, what we got here? Oh, this is our parts and cable management stuff. Zip ties, Velcro straps. We got screws. Nice. Space for our radiators or fans right here. And then we move on to the inside. First thing we can see is the stock fans. It comes with 3 of them. That's nice. The Lian Li fans. We have our bays for extensions like graphics cards. We can take these out. And then just place it there. And we have our spot for our motherboard. We can see the cable ram for the fan, stock cables back here that come with the case, and places for cable management. And you can also notice lots of vents everywhere for the airflow, keeping hot air from getting trapped, and our wires for our panel up top. That's about it on the case so far. Earlier, I said I got this for an optional 3.1 Type-C cable, and we're going to be installing that part now and get it out the way. Off camera, I took out the screws right here on the other side, so I didn't have to flip it mid-video. This is the cord that'll be plugged in. We're going to get this going. Now we move on to the motherboard. The motherboard I chose is the MSI MPG X570. It comes with the Wi-Fi built in case I want to use Wi-Fi, which is nice. It says works with 3000 series desktop Ryzen. It should work with the Ryzen 5700G, which is Ryzen's new gen graphics card with the 8-core integrated graphics from Radeon. And then, so we just have to do a BIOS update, I believe. We'll go through that process later. We lift this up. And this goes down. Boom.
Hold on. I think I need to take that plate off you were talking about earlier. Oh, okay, yeah, you can go with this. Did you only want to record or did you want to get in here too? I was thinking about that. Oh, well, there's that screw right there? Yeah. Don't do a snap, like, twist it with your fingers until it don't twist anymore with your fingers. Do it tight? Don't do it tight. Just until your fingers can't twist it anymore. Okay? Yeah, perfect. And then you just follow me. Just make sure you have a firm grip on that screw right here. Because that can do some damage. the next one? This one? Yeah, let me see. I think I'll get it in close. Okay, now you get that one. You see that? I'm missing a screw, it looks like. Yeah, ball. It'd be funny if I use the wrong screws. You got some instructions with you, right? I don't see them. You know what you're doing, right? Okay, it's just one. This is computer science. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and use tighter components. Alright. This one. Oh well. Not that important, huh? No. Shouldn't be, right? I don't think so. Is that how it went? Oh, okay, so it's good. When do you put the thermal paste in there? When I put the CPU cooler. Oh, okay. There we go. Is there, so once we get this done, is there a place here that we can hook it up to and have it running? Yeah. Alright. So at the final part of the video, I want to show the, the fans running, the inside running. I got you, yeah. I was gonna plan on having it run before you left. Okay. And then I'm gonna put this on. Do you want to see me put this on? Would you like that in the video? That's a little far enough. I would exclude that. Okay. I'll do that now. I'm gonna go ahead and
So, finally finished the build. Doesn't work yet. Believe it's a BIOS issue using the CPU that I'm using. Good experience so far. A little difficult figuring out the wire placement. And also a little naked without the GPU yet. It does have power. Kicks on, LEDs pop up. Looks nice. Air circulation's how I want it. And the front, out the top and the back. Yep. So I'm gonna spend some time working on figuring out the issues on the display popping up. It does have integrated graphics, and the motherboard does allow for the integrated graphics, but maybe not with this specific piece CPU. But yeah, it was fun. Would do again, 10 out of 10.